Welcome back to Lifehue YouTube channel. The topic for the day is gram staining. Gram staining is a differential staining method which has the principle that gram positive bacteria retains primary stain and gram negative bacteria takes up secondary stain. Iodine enhances staining reaction. Alcohol or acetone treatment decolonizes gram-negative bacteria. Reagents used in gram staining are crystal violet or methyl violet or gentian violet stain, gram iodine solution, alcohol or acetone, safranin or carbol fusion or neutral red. The procedure. Firstly, we prepare the smear and heat fix it. Stain with crystal violet for 1 minute. Wash. Apply gram iodine for 1 minute. Wash the slide properly without directly putting the water on the slide. Like we hold the slide this way and then pour the water above with a finger touch, not directly over the smear. Decolorize with acetone for 2 to 3 seconds. Gently wash. Counter stain with safranin for 1 minute. Wash. Let it dry. As staining is completed, watch slide in microscope under 100x after putting drop of cedarwood oil. Observations. Here in the diagram you can see the gram positive bacteria as violet stained and gram negative bacteria pink stained. This way you can observe and identify that this bacteria is gram positive or gram negative.